What's up guys? Today's video review of the top 5 best exercise equipment for seniors. If you are looking for the best exercise equipment for seniors, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose exercise equipment for seniors, each with different characteristics. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and purchased to make a perfect decision. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Recumbent Bike SF with Arm Exerciser. This recumbent bike is a top pick for its supportive, adjustable seat and arm handles that allow for an engaging, full-body workout. Great for anyone who prefers to sit during exercise due to mobility or joint issues. This bike has 8 levels of pedal and arm lever resistance to challenge a rider's upper body, core, and lower body. As your heart rate rises, the sensors on its non-slip side handles help you monitor your pulse via the digital monitor, which also tracks progress in calories burned, mileage, pace, and time. The padded bike seat is contoured for comfort and easy to adjust, but some users still find it uncomfortable, so you may want to pair it with a bike seat cushion for longer rides. We love that the bike is easy to assemble and should only take about 30 minutes to set up, according to most users. We still recommend that users ask a friend or family member to help with setup for a more seamless experience. The bike supports a maximum of 350 pounds and features transport wheels at the front, so you can easily move it out of the way when not in use. For a slightly smarter, techie version, we love its sister bike that connects to the Sunny Fit app and has built-in resistance bands instead of arm levers. Number 2. Stamina Conversion Recumbent Exercise Bike and Rower. Stamina's Conversion Recumbent Bike, Rower Hybrid. You get a 3-for-1 machine that works as a rower, recumbent bike, and resistance training machine. We love that Stamina's bike, Rower Hybrid, is designed for full-body strength training and cardio workouts in one space-saving piece of equipment. When we tested this rower, we appreciated its consistent resistance and how it operates smoothly as both a rower and a bike. Its display screen is easy to read and tracks basic metrics like speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The machine is supported by the Move app, which has an assembly video and compatible workouts to help you stay on track. During testing, we found that you can use this machine as a leg press or classic cable machine for working out your lower and upper body, in addition to using it as a bike, rower hybrid. Although the initial setup is straightforward and easy for the most part, taking us about an hour and a half with 2 people, the machine doesn't come with batteries, so you'll need to supply those from the get-go to get it up and running. Also, heart rate is only tracked via the bike's handles, so it won't be monitored while you use the machine as a rower. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 8. We chose Apple's Watch as our pick for the best smartwatch for aging adults because it's user-friendly, offers reliable fitness tracking, has 2 screen size options, and offers potentially life-saving health monitoring and safety features. For older adults who don't mind some technology, we like this smartwatch because it offers the same fitness tracking features as other fitness trackers, like heart rate monitoring, calories burned, and steps, but its sophisticated sensors can also monitor a person's wellness and collect data to flag if anything's out of the ordinary. The cutting-edge EKG sensor for heart rhythm notifies wearers within seconds of detecting irregular, low, or high heart rate rhythms. It also has a blood oxygen sensor to track heart blood oxygen levels, a temperature sensor, and a sleep monitor for useful, around-the-clock health insights. Our other favorite Series 8 safety feature is its fall detection, which notifies close contacts or emergency services immediately if you fall and need assistance. Built-in GPS and crash detection send and sauce to emergency services with your location when connected to a cellular plan or near an iPhone. Number 4. Soul E35 Elliptical. We love this popular elliptical from Soul. It features sturdy, wide foot pedals for optimal balance, designed by physical therapists to be ergonomically shaped and to simulate a natural stride. We love that the elliptical features resistance and incline controls on the lever handle, allowing you to easily control your speed and incline. It also has secondary stationary handle grips with heart rate pulse sensors, so you can always monitor your heart rate. With 20 resistance levels, this machine works for all fitness capabilities and will keep you challenged over time. Soul also throws in a chest strap heart rate monitor with your purchase, an accessory that makes heart rate tracking easier and more accurate. Bluetooth-compatible speakers on the elliptical allow you to play your music as you pedal or sync your heart rate monitor to the elliptical's display for a handy visual. The Elliptical offers a 325-pound weight capacity, which makes it very sturdy and stable, but also adds weight to the machine, so it is heavier than other exercise equipment options on our list. Also, users note that because it's quite heavy and bulky, it can be difficult to assemble, so you may want to hire professional help. Number 5. Lifespan TR3000i Folding Treadmill. We love this folding treadmill as a year-round, low-impact option for getting steps in safely no matter the weather. Durable and stable, Lifespan's TR3000i is more compact than most treadmills and folds on its own with the touch of a button, locking securely into place. It is simple to operate, with a quick start console and optional built-in programs for 15 levels of hill-simulated inclines and speeds of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour. The 2.75 horsepower motor is solid yet quiet for a folding treadmill, a testament to its quality and longevity. We like how you can rest a book or tablet on the console deck and charge your device in the USB port as you watch your favorite TV show or instructor-led workout. The console itself tracks performance metrics using the pulse sensor on the grip handles and IntelliStep technology in the belt to count steps. With a low step-up height and safety features like supportive guardrails for balance, an emergency stop button, and a sensor that automatically pauses the belt 20 seconds after you step off the treadmill deck, we think it's a good option for older adults concerned with safety. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.